was just sent these artificial flowers. I've already taken them out of the box and kind of got them fluffed up. When you first get them, they are compacted in, but you easily move these because they have this nice wire. You can actually bend them however you want to have them and shape them however you want. So you can then fill out either a different vase or the cute little vase that they provide for you and just simply put them in, fluff them out a little bit. And these are really pretty different colors that you can set in different areas of your room. Whether it's just in a nice corner to add a little bit of pretty greenery to bring in the ambiance, or you can put it in a bedroom, which we'll take it into a different room now and go check them out a little bit closer. So now I have them sitting out just on a nice little wine desk here. And these look really pretty, and they do have like a realistic kind of feel to them. If you're, wind blowing kind of thing, you can kind of see those little petals moving around. And it is a really nice little area here. You've got several different flowers and different greenery within it. So there are several different areas that you could place this. And then it's just another idea of where to place it. I've just got this sitting out in my sunroom and just putting it as just a little centerpiece on a nice table over here. Now these are 18 inches high, and they do have the metal on the actual stems there that you can move around. And then the beautiful glass vase that comes with it allows you just to see the beauty of the flowers.